Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I found the perfect gift for that bookish person in your life.
Sip Sip Hooray has made the most perfect cup for anyone who loves Throne of Glass. If you've ever read the series, you know the iconic line, "You do not yield." It literally sends goosebumps down my spine. They made this amazing cup that comes with the lid, a glass straw, and a straw cleaner. And it is such high quality. I love the materials that they made this with the iconic sword on the front, the "You Do Not Yield," the stag horns. It is just so beautiful. It is nice and durable, and you can reuse this glass all of the time. It is 16 ounce and it's that great can shape. I love drinking out of this cup. It is so unique and it's great for things like iced coffee, cold drinks, your smoothies. And they packaged it so well. It comes to you so nice and secure. It really makes the perfect gift.
Whether you keep this for yourself or gift it to your favorite Throne of Glass fan, you are going to love it. And that is my point of view.